Hi guys, yeah, I'm gonna do a parade unboxing, and I'm so excited because this is the Valentine's Day collection. If you already know, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. Well, Christmas and then Valentine's Day, but it's literally Valentine's Day is in my birthday. Literally, it's very close to it. So, in my birthday, I would receive Valentine's Day stuff. Like when I would go to school, like at home, like I would get like stuffed animals or like flowers or stuff that are Valentine's Day related kind of thing. And I wouldn't mind, to be honest, because I really love Valentine's, even though I never had a real Valentine. You know what I'm saying? I'm a lone wolf. I'm pretty loner, but I don't care. I still like Valentine's Day, even though I'm mostly single. A lot of people, I don't know why they get so depressed. Like, they forget that Valentine's is not about relationships. It's about friendship, any type of love, self-love, animal love. Animal love? Oh, that sounds weird. I'm talking about, like, of your pet, of, you know, not like you dating and I'm, all right, you know what? I'm just going to stop talking, but literally, it's my season already. I already know Aquarius here. Yeah, we're a little weird, but we're so cool. We're so cute. Yeah, I'm just hating. I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's actually, today is the first day. It's January 20th. And damn, I don't know how it just came real quick. I was so thinking we're in Capricorn season. But today, when I was like scrolling through my Instagram, I saw Hello Kitty posted about it, and yeah, I love Hello Kitty. I followed them on Instagram. Anyways, besides the point, so yeah, they said Aquarius season X, Y, and Z, and then I was like, that fast, like damn. So yeah, today this is a Valentine's Day parade collection. So no, you're probably not gonna like this for Valentine's because the color is not really suited for Valentine's. Usually it's red, pink, maybe purple. No, not really. It's usually just pink and red, but no, this is not pink and red, so it doesn't look like Valentine's to me. I know, but well, my earring does. Okay, so where should I start? I guess I should open this one. This is the Style Scoop Tank, and this is in the color Winter Sky. But in the website it's probably not the same, so I always have to repeat myself in case a new person is watching. So yeah, okay. Ooh. Look how pretty and velvety and silky smooth it looks. It looks like rich. I feel rich. I'm gonna feel rich this season when I wear this. Look how pretty. It's giving Y2K. It's giving trophy wife. It's giving millionaire status, sugar baby status. I don't know, it's giving everything. So I love the color, the material. Why does this look big? It looks loose and big. This looks more to wear at home or to sleep in. I mean, you can still wear it outside. Just wear a jacket on top. Ooh, with some heels. Ooh, all right. But yeah, this, imagine a dress with this. I think I would wear this to go out, to be honest. I just have to find something that matches in the bottom. I don't know, but it's very soft. This is in the size medium. This is pretty loose, but it's not stretchy. This material is not stretchy at all. So, and it fits. It's very airy, and you know, the inside is not the same as the outside. But yeah, it kind of looks like a backdrop. I think I could use this. I'll put my texture shots. I'll put this on top. Oh my god, that's a good idea. You can use this for everything. This is falling, but okay, so it does kind of match with my season though, because Valentine's Day is in my season. It's really close to my birthday. And my birthday is literally 2 days before Valentine's Day. So, and I love blue, so it makes sense. It's so me. It's such an Aquarius outfit, and slash Valentine's Day outfit is just, it's just very pretty. So No, they didn't have pink or red. If they had pink or red, I would have gotten that, to be honest. But to match Valentine's Day instead, but no, they didn't have it. They only had this color, and I think like the white cream shade. I'm not sure. They didn't have a lot of options for Valentine's Day. This collection was whack. I'm sorry, Parade, but I didn't like it. The Valentine's Day had no hard prints, nothing colorful. They had plain, boring colors. And a person like me that loves color, I get bored easily. And yeah, this is the only thing that stands out to me. That's why I got it. So, and the next thing are these shorts. Oh, I don't know. It has like a green drawstring, or however you call it. So. Oh, and I love green too. Wow, it's like they know me. What the heck? It's so weird. They were like, I think she's gonna like this. Let's make this for her, because yeah, I would design this, to be honest. Yeah, they know my taste. They have my taste. So obviously I had to get a matching pair of shorts with it. Oh, the trim is there too, the green. It would look better if it was pink or white, to be honest. But I do like the green, but I don't think not with this shade of blue, right? I don't think it's that cute looking. I don't know, but it's still nice, I guess. But or red, pink, or white will look better than this green, right? I know I'm not the only one, so I have good ideas. The thing is that I don't have the money or someone to hire. If not, excuse me, I would make cool fashion designs, but anyway, probably not for everyday wear, to be honest. So yeah, this is in the size medium. It's very, like I said, this, oh actually no, this is stretchy. This one, yes, only from the waistband. From here, no, it's loose. And it's kind of like hard, like not hard, but I don't know how to explain it. It's not gonna be like super tight on you. It's gonna feel like loose, comfortable. It's more to, like I said, to chill, lounge wear and all that. So wow, I know I'm just gonna love wearing this one. Actually, no, because I get everything. So yeah, obviously I do have a discount code. It's not your usual save, 20% off. I think sometimes it's 30% off, sometimes it's 40% off, 50, 25. Their sales depends, and also my codes, it can fluctuate. I can be 20 one day, 25% one day, 30% something. But I think right now, or original, it's always like 20% off, I think. So yeah, but check out their website. They have other clothes, not just this type of loungewear stuff. Like this is from them. It's a hoodie. I have the matching sweatpants. They are so comfortable, trust me. This is in the size medium. Yeah, size medium, and it fits me good. It's my size is a little bit loose, and right here is the perfect length too. It's not too tight, not too long, not too oversized. They do have oversized clothing, by the way, but this is good to wear for every day. So obviously they have other colors, designs, but I chose this one, and yeah. So okay, pretty much it. Bye, thanks for watching. And don't be alone and depressed on Valentine's Day. Why? I'm gonna slap you. Let's snap out of it, okay, ladies? If you don't find a man, who the frick cares? It's still make it your day, okay? Like go out, have fun with friends, or just do what your favorite thing that day. Do self-love activities, self-care. Sunday should be all year long, but especially on Valentine's Day, of course. But you get what I mean. So yeah, if not, I'm y'all's Valentine's, whatever. I really don't care. But yeah. Oh my god, I have an idea. Never mind, I'm not gonna share it. So, okay, I think that's it now. Bye. Don't freaking cry, okay? Okay, bye.